Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this long-term down channel, and right now you can see that SushiSwap is getting rejected by this resistance of the down channel and this resistance of $1.60. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 20th of July. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal crab move that SushiSwap formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair, and this was the harmonic bullish reversal crab move, and you can see at that time it was moving in the buying zone, and buying zone of this pattern was starting from 0.0000618 to 0.0000589. Now I have played this chart, and you can see that the price line moved slightly down, and here we had another support that was approximately at 569. You can see that here it was breaking as a support. We formed a double bottom here, and previously it was breaking as a resistance. So it moved slightly down, tested this support, and it covered back, and after some sideways move it pumped well and hit the sell target. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that during this move it has reached the resistance of this very big down channel, and it was entered the channel here is in September 2021. And by the way, this is SushiSwap with US dollar pair, and we can see that even after several attempts it is not able to break out this resistance of the channel. And the positive thing, or bullish gesture over here, is that we are testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore this can be another signal or indication that soon SushiSwap can break out this resistance of the channel, and down channel in itself is considered to be a bullish bias among the traders community. And we can see that the stochastic at the same time is still in the oversold zone, and we are just reached the resistance. We got rejected by this resistance of the channel, and also this resistance of $1.60. And previously here it had been breaking as a strong resistance for several weeks, and before that here for 2 weeks it was breaking as a resistance in the month of November 2020, and before that here it was breaking as a support. Therefore right now again it is breaking this $1.60 level, is breaking as a strong resistance for SushiSwap. At the same time it has also formed an up channel on the daily time frame. You can see that we have several touch points here at the resistance, here, and here, and we have several touch points at the support. And right now again SushiSwap 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th time it is likely to have a bounce. So far this bounce is not confirmed, but likely to have a bounce from this support. And for example, if it will take a bounce from here and reach the resistance, then this time the resistance will be approximately at $1.75. And if it reaches the resistance, I'm not talking about the breaking out this channel, at least reaches the resistance, then it can lead the price line to break out this down channel, this bigger down channel, and this key resistance as well, because you can see we have this key resistance at $1.60, and this resistance of the down channel will be approximately $1 to $1.45 to $1.50. And if it goes to $1.75, then there will be a very high probability that we may have a closing on the weekly time frame chart at this level. And for example, if we will have the closing on the weekly time frame chart, then there will be a high probability that this resistance, this key resistance, will become a very strong and key support for the price line, and then it will start the long-term move. And by the way, our target for this bigger down channel will be here at the top of the channel, almost here. That will be approximately $10 to $11. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.